I just want to announce the winner for the Shiraui figure. If you'd like to check out the draw, it is in the video in the description. Please reply to my comments so I can send the figure to you. Sometimes real life gets the better of me, but without further ado, Himeno from Pop-Up Parade. I really have to do an episode to discuss about Pop-Up Parade, but with new figures coming in on a weekly basis, I guess I will just concentrate on unboxing the figures first. We have really exciting figures coming up, so stay tuned to my channel. Wait, I think I did damage my box because of the cutter, so beware. Pop boxes are often generic, and this one we have here is in green. No sticker of authenticity here. Oops. Actually, I love how small Pop-Up Parades are, but like I said in a previous video, these things are building up an army in my home. So I guess we will do the characters I really like and viewers request from now on. So if you have a Pop-Up Parade you'd like to be reviewed, please let me know in the comment section. Of course, the Pop-Up Parades are very well protected, so we shouldn't expect any damages to the figure. We do have some simple shoes that work. The quality of the pants are also the same with the previous series. I must say it is acceptable, nothing too impressive or nothing to complain about. I guess I just want to say, at this price point, do not expect the buttons to have any depth. So details at 4,800 yen is pretty minimal. I want to turn our attention to the head sculpt. We get a really Bishojo-esque Himeno here, with an eye patch and some hair details and a generic face quality. Don't get me wrong, it's acceptable, just nothing out of the ordinary. The hair has an obvious parting line, but it is not very noticeable. This review is really fast. As a conclusion, I guess Himeno is for the fans. And I really love Himeno. I guess in this shot, she really looks alive. I actually rank her above the Power Pop-Up Parade, the Makima, and even the Kobani. I also realized that these characters lack identity in the Pop-Up Parade figures. The poses they adopt, at least for the Chainsaw Man series, tries to incorporate their personality from their anime. But I think they never really hit it for me. Even though I love Chainsaw Man a lot, well, this Pop-Up Parade is definitely only for Himeno fans. This is the only figure you can get right now of Himeno, so I will say she is a pretty decent purchase. Thank you all for watching this week's episode. I hope you enjoy the occasional Pop-Up Parade, and please look forward to the next episode where we do some Evangelion. I'm pretty excited, so hit the subscribe and notification button, and I will see you very soon. Thank you and goodbye.